Hello and happy Friday. This is Cara, and here is this week's Freebie Friday. It's a gusseted envelope and a bunch of labels and tags. And the reason I thought we could use another gusseted envelope is because I also have a kit that is now in my Etsy shop. It's 50% off, and it has a bunch of labels, and I thought, oh, this is going to be great to store all the itty bitty bits and pieces. So let's really quick take a look at the kit. It is called the Collector's Journal, and I've been wanting to make a kit like this ever since I kind of started making digitals. I really love the idea of the specimen and all like the butterflies and mushrooms. So yeah, so here we go. So it has 8 journal pages, and I didn't stick to one theme. You'll see I have bugs and moths and butterflies and mushrooms and birds. So that's why it's the collector's journal, because this person collects more than one thing. And I like this little collage down here with the nest and the little paper clip and then some staples. Here's a little collage with the birds. And here we have our mushrooms and some insects. And then we have some glasses and the magnifying glass. And then we have some blue butterflies and a couple coffee stains. There we go. And there's this one with the red background. And then there's 2 blank pages that you can use as backing sheets. One in blue and one in the burgundy. And then there's some tags using those really cool book pages. I just love the rich colors, really cool. And then this is what I'm talking about. There's lots of labels that can be cut apart and then stuck in today's freebie. And here are, oops, let's do this. Here are the insect tags and some more ephemera. And then, like always, they are in the smaller version. It would be kind of fun to, I just thought of this, layer these guys on top of the big tags. Didn't think of that when I was making it, but just now. And then there's this page with the mushrooms and the specimen cards. I left some empty so you could put your own things, and then lots of specimen labels, and then more specimen cards, and some dictionary page, the entomology page, and like a little journal entry, more little labels. And then there's 2 collage pages that you can use as journal pages, or you could rip and use in different ways. All sorts of fun things to do with these. There's that one, and there's this one with the mushroom and the butterflies. And then this one is the layered tag. So you could use this just as a plain tag, or you can layer this on top, or you can layer all, both pieces on top. More butterflies, and then more ephemera. And then lastly, we have the journaling cards, some envelopes, and then some other pieces. So yeah, there, I think, I'm going to say 19 pages in the kit. Again, it is on sale, 50% off. And then let's bring back the freebie. See how it just goes really well, and how this envelope will be perfect to go in, to go along with the kit. So my plan was to just cut out the pieces and make this with you. However, I had Tim Holtz on. I was catching up on his latest live, and before I knew it, I was done with my little project. So yeah, oops. But what I did is I cut it out, and then one thing you want to remember is in here there's little dotted lines, and you want to cut those out, which then helps you so you can fold this like this. And then you just follow the lines, and it's just a mountain or a valley fold, and you just fold, fold, fold. I used my scoreboard. It kind of helps with the folding, and then you just add some glue. I added some Yep, Velcro. I had to cut a little bit off, I think, because of the way I folded it. It wasn't quite perfect on the line, so I just had to trim a little off, but it still works. And then I added some lace from my stash. These are labels from the freebie, and then, you know, I was watching the Tim. I'm gonna go and find a gear from my stash, and then also from my stash I have this little glassine bag, added some of the labels, and here I stuck all the other little labels from the freebie. All right, the freebie is available at Cara Brandon, sorry, Cara Brandon and Friends, and I've been doing both JPEG and PDF versions in the Facebook page, because for some reason Facebook has been kind of strange and it's not really liking the JPEGs on certain devices. So anyway, yeah, I hope you grab it, the freebie at the group. Post your pictures of your makes. Maybe you come up with something different than the little envelope, or maybe you do something fun with the tags. I would love to see. And don't forget, you can go check out the collector's journal at my Etsy, which is Cara, Brandon, and Friends, and I'll have the link below. All right, have a wonderful weekend. See you soon. Bye-bye.